Friction here, just make a little comparison video here, seeing how fast you can take down tanks with some various weapons and capabilities. Starting off here with the basic cannon and the base lightning, shooting the Vanguard in the AS. Full magazine doing about half damage. I believe it was a little bit damage before that, but even still, yeah, about 2 magazines an additional shot. And I do believe rear damage is pretty similar between all the vehicles. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at a heavy assault rocket launcher. I know the Decimator is pretty popular, so we'll take a look at that one first here. Or is it the Annihilator? Let's see, 1013, so we'll go ahead and try this. And once again, into the back side of the Vanguard over here. You know, I'm curious about something real quick. Let's see. Wow, only half. Huh. Okay, so. Wow, yeah, each rocket takes a good chunk. I'd say roughly about more than a third, but that'll certainly do it too. It's pretty powerful, but let's see how it fires over a range, and of course the consideration being that once you buy the Decimator, that's not really going to cost you anything to use. Whereas, of course, the Lightning you're always going to have to spend some mechanized resources to use. Let's see how fast this thing moves. I'll just fire something then. Wow, that's a pretty terrible drop, actually. Yeah, fairly slow and a lot of drop, so it does have its downsides. Now, let's go ahead and check out a anti-vehicle max for comparison. Probably should have grabbed the dash just to run over and try this out, but what the heck. Okay, so that's about 2.5, or 2 mags and another one from a Lightning. That's 4 salvos for the max, and 2 pretty much for the Decimator, or the Annihilator. Let me show you this. Okay, now let's go ahead and try with another Vanguard and see what we're looking at. Right, gotta change the class first. And then after I try this Vanguard, we will get into some of the air vehicles and some of the alternate weapons for the ground vehicles in the next video. So once again, just for comparison here, the max is a 4 salvos, but that's 1 per arm. So looks like, and that's quite a bit of reload time here. Probably going to be about 3 rounds. Oh, 4 rounds looks like, so that's almost about as much as the max, less than a Decimator or Annihilator. Comparatively, probably about the same amount of time as the Lightning tanks, or somewhat similar. We'll go ahead and get to the next video here, checking out some air against tanks and some of the other specific anti-tank weapons on other armor.